Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the locking mechanism on this Ford Focus. This particular model is 2006. The engine size is 1.6, and the reason why we're going to change it is that the mechanism here is gone faulty. Someone already worked on it and they smashed the inside mechanism here. And the other thing I've noticed is that the grill is broken on this side, the clip. So to start off with, what we're going to do is we're going to take these grommets out. There we go, just broke it. That's the only way you can get to them. So we're going to put new ones, one here on this side. There you go. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to pull the grill out. Okay. There we go. There we go, friends. I've pulled the grill out, and this is the damage. So someone already worked on this car and they broke the locking mechanism from here. So we've got the new replacement part which we got from eBay for £20. So that's what we're going to fit. This one came with 2 keys as well. This is how it looks. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove this, and in order to remove it, just going to pull these 2 clips and it just pops out, and then the lock, just going to pull out the lock. Okay, it's all knackered. Right, so the next bit we're going to do is to remove this latch here. So it's secured by 2 10mm bolts, so just going to take this one off. There we go, that's one of the bolts out of the way. Just going to take this one out, this one off. I'm just going to wiggle it. So that's the whole latch out of the bracket here. So the next we're going to do is we're going to remove this broken plastic piece here. There we go. Right, here comes the new locking mechanism. So the way it's going to get fitted is like this. Just going to route it through here, just like that. Okay, just like that. Right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to line up this part here to this latch here, inside here, and once we line it up, we're going to secure it to the IMF. There we go. Just going to line it up and then push it in like this. There we go. So before we secure all the bolts, 2 bolts, we're going to try it. There we go, friends. That's all working nicely. So the next we're going to do is we're going to secure the 2 10mm bolts. There we go, friends. That's nice and tight. Just going to do this side now. There we go, friends. That's that nicely done. The next bit we're going to do is to fit the grill onto the bumper and onto this IMF cross member. We're going to slide in this locking mechanism into this slot here. So just going to push it in. There we go. That's that nicely done. Push the grill into the clips. There we go. Right, so the last bit we're going to do is to secure these skrivets, one on each side, and then one here. All nicely secured. Just going to check the lock. Yeah, there we go. It's working fine. So now what we're going to do is we're going to shut the bonnet, and we're going to try opening it with a key. There we go. And then we're going to move the badge up. We're going to twist the key left first, anti-clockwise. Okay, and then we're going to turn it clockwise. There we go, friends. That's the new locking mechanism fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.